Bill, and we're going to do a science experiment today. We're going to make a volcano. What we have done already is made our volcano out of something called great stuff. And this is the jar. It comes out soft and it hardens. Inside I've hidden an 8-ounce water bottle. Sprayed this great stuff around the bottle. I gave it overnight to dry. What we're going to do is spray paint it. I've seen some silver volcanoes on the moon. But actually this silver was really cool. Actually, maybe I will do the whole thing. It's gonna look like we found a silver nugget. Now, don't breathe too much of this in, Henry, because I'm sure it's not good for you.
That's why I'm looking down.
Now, this is a beautiful silver volcano. You don't have to use spray paint. You can add a little red along the top. If you do any spray painting, do it outside. The fumes can get to you. We need a few things.
We did it. Will it explode as far as me?
No. This video is baking soda and
Dad, why won't
vinegar.
it explode this time?
Well, there's gonna be a reaction.
What do you mean?
When baking soda and vinegar mix together, they create carbon dioxide, which gives...
So will it explode, Dada?
Well, we'll see. We have a bottle of vinegar, 16-ounce bottle of vinegar. We're only going to need about 2 or 3 ounces of this. Some baking soda. Both of these things together cost me $1.50 at the supermarket. So, Henry, I want you to take 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Let's put it in this plastic cup because we're going to have to pour it carefully into the mouth of the volcano. If you have a funnel, you can use a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you can roll a piece of paper up into a like a cone or make a funnel out of paper. So we're going to need some dish soap, red food coloring, and this baking soda. I want you to take 2 of these spoonfuls and put it into this plastic cup. All right, so Henry's going to scoop those 2 teaspoons. He's going to scoop 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And once he does that, we're going to put a few drops of red food coloring in, and then we're going to add some dish soap.
Dad, I'm getting it on me.
It's okay, it's just baking soda, it's fine. What you're going to be using is about 2 big tablespoons of baking soda. I'd say about a tablespoon of dish soap. I'm going to do about 5 drops of red food coloring. We don't have a ton.
Then it might stick. You should have done it when it was dry.
Oh, we have a chunk there. Okay, so Henry, take 5 drops of red food coloring and put it into the volcano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're going to put about 3-second squeeze of dish soap in. Now our volcano is ready to explode. When we add our vinegar, the vinegar and the baking soda will react to create carbon dioxide, and the dish soap will act to create more bubbles.
Dada, will it explode as far as me?
Oh, we'll see. That's why we have a tablecloth down.
Oh no!
Do you think you can pour it in carefully?
Mm-hmm.
2 or 3 ounces in?
Will it make it explode? Why very fast?
Oh, nothing's... Oh, there's our volcano. Let me get a little close-up on that. OMG is right. How's that volcano doing?
Good.
Pretty cool.
Dada, were we gonna put more stuff in?
We're going to do another one with Mentos and Diet Coke.
Now?
I especially like the silver. And it does look just like a volcano would look as it
I
erupts.
like the smell.
I can smell that vinegar too, yeah. All right, well that was cool, Henry. So here we are a few seconds later, well, I'd say a couple minutes later, and it's still coming out slowly, but still coming out. All right, what do you say we try a Mentos and Diet Coke? Have you ever seen Mentos and Diet Coke?
No, but it's getting taller.
It is.
Ah!
Pretty cool. I'm glad that's not a real volcano, because that would be hot, wouldn't it? Yeah. Do you think the lava that comes out of a volcano is hot?
Of course.
What do you think it could melt?
Me or you.
Yeah.